Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Raciel Olvera. I will present an essay related to companies. Essay company. We hear about a company all the time. Now behind this concept there are quite a fields unknown such as what is a company? Is there a minimum or maximum number of employees to be classified a company? Why are there called large or company, medium corporate companies and small companies? So we call a company an institution dedicated to carry out an activity to raise material process, to go seeds, resources and process and transform it for economical purposes to meet the needs of goods or services in society. In the same way, they have different characters and needs. Analyzing companies according to their size, it is important to ask ourselves the following. How do we differentiate a large company from a medium-sized company and a micro company? Next, we'll know some difference. The big company, these companies are characterized by using technology and sophisticated forms of organization. These hand large capital and financiers are generally local in deployment cities and regularly have their own facilities. They have a very advanced management and operating system. The number of professional people exceeded 250 people, and its sales exceeded 100 million pesos a year. For example, international company, AT&T, for example, medium company, it has a well-defined area with responsibility and functions. The numbers of personal people is between 50 and 1200 professionals. The value of its sales does not exceed 5 million pesos a year. For example, restaurant, hotel, among others. And the small company, these companies are characterized by low production and volume, focused on a minimum local market. Their products are generally finally consumer goods such as family business, in addition to behind simple in an organization. It is organizational structure has a division of labor. The number of persons ranks from 11 to 49 professionals. The value of its net sales of up to 30 million pesos a year. So, so what the information mentioning above, it is clear to us that the world of companies revolves around their economic and social characteristics. However, they let us remember that of them, regardless of their size, have the purpose of converting a need either as an employee or as buyer of the good or service produced. Thank you for your team.